Hello friends, welcome to your channel. Today we will learn about very useful maximum and minimum button using macro. Very easy. So let's directly go to Excel sheet. See, in my Excel sheet there are 5 rows A, B, C, D, E, and there are 5 values. So how we can just go to a button using macro? So first of all, just go to developer tab. So go to developer tab, go to insert button, and in form control there is a sign of button, and just click on that. Just drag on the button. You will see a macro name has clicked. So first of all we will use maximum button. So I will put the name as maximum. I will click on record. So macro name is maximum. Then I will click on OK. Now just where in which column you want to find out maximum, just click equal to here, and just you can type maximum and click on double click and just select that rows and just close that and press enter. So see, in these 5 rows the maximum is 200. Okay, now just you have to stop the recording of the macro by clicking the button here. Just see, there I put the arrow. This is very important step. You have to stop the recording. Okay, now we are stopping the recording. Now our macro is recorded. Now just what I have to do, just I have to delete that. Now if I changes the values like 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So as you see, the from these the maximum is 16. So I will just click on button. Then see, the maximum has gone 16. Now you can just edit that button also. So that will be here. Just put maximum. Okay, I think that is very clear to all of us. Now I will just let you know how can you have minimum also. So just we again repeat the step. Go to developer tab and go to insert, and here just drag on that. Now see, the put minimum. Just click on record. Maximum is okay. Now just we have to put equal to, and now we just put minimum and just drag on that. Okay, and enter. Now the minimum is 12. Now we stop the recording. Now I have to delete that, and I will also delete that. Now if I change the values 13, 14, 2, 12 and 4. So I see the minimum is 2. I put the button 3. See, the 2 has come. So if I have to find maximum of this, I will put on maximum. See, the maximum and minimum you can find out in a single click. So I think this is very easy. So thanks for watching my video.